The moon is a mysterious world in our space, whose sweetness always attracts our minds. When humans first set foot on the moon, it was a groundbreaking moment. But how was it possible? How much did this mission cost, what equipment was needed, and how much money can it cost to go to the moon today? It doesn't end here. How can we make the moon a part of human habitation in the future? In today's video, we will know the answers to these questions, along with detailed information. Watch the video till the end to know the story of this extraordinary journey to the moon. The 1960s, when the two superpowers of the world, the United States and the Soviet Union, competed with each other in space exploration during the Cold War. In the meantime, NASA's Apollo program was created, whose ultimate goal was to send humans to the moon. Apollo 11 mission. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 mission successfully landed on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to set foot on the moon, and Buzz Aldrin was right after him. So the question is, how much did this mission cost? According to NASA's estimates, the entire Apollo program cost $25 billion. Today, this amount is worth about $150 billion. The Apollo 11 mission alone cost $3 billion. What is the reason for so much cost? 1. Powerful rockets, such as the Saturn V, were needed to go to the moon. 2. Modern space suits to ensure the safety of the astronauts. 3. Lunar module for landing on and returning to the moon module. 4. Huge infrastructure of ground control. Thousands of NASA scientists, engineers, and staff have worked tirelessly to create all these technologies. So if you want to go to the moon now, how much will it cost? Currently, the cost of going to the moon depends on which organization is conducting this mission. 1. NASA's Artemis program. NASA is currently working to send people to the moon under the 2. SpaceX's Starship. Elon Musk's SpaceX Starship could make it relatively cheap to get to the moon. SpaceX claims that the cost of each mission can be reduced to about $100 million. 3. Private tourism. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin could sell tickets to the moon for private tourists in the future. For a typical tourist, it can cost around $50 to $100 million. Going to the moon is not only possible with money, it also requires a lot of equipment. Let's see what is needed to go to the moon. 1. Rocket. A powerful rocket is needed to go to the moon. Rockets like Saturn V or Starship are very complex and powerful. 2. Lunar lander. A lunar lander or lunar module is very important for landing on the moon. It lands in the moon's gravity and helps astronauts land safely on the moon. 3. Space suit. The moon's environment is very harsh and oxygen-free. Therefore, astronauts need very powerful and high-quality space suits. Control system. Advanced technology is needed to control and communicate with astronauts from ground control. 5. Equipment to survive in the lunar environment. Scientific equipment, water purification systems, and special equipment for food storage are needed to conduct research on the moon. 6. Future technology. Currently, 3D printing technology can be used to build houses on the moon. Efforts are underway to establish human settlements on the moon in the future. NASA, SpaceX, and other organizations are planning to build a permanent base on the moon. Collecting various minerals from the moon, developing a tourism industry, and using the moon as a research laboratory. A huge amount of investment and modern technology are required to implement all these plans. Going to the moon may become easier and cheaper in the future. Going to the moon is a great achievement of human civilization, which is not only the result of money or technology but also the infinite knowledge and innovative power of scientists. This journey from the first mission to the present has taught us that nothing is impossible. Artemis program. The total cost of this program is estimated at about $93 billion. The cost of Artemis I alone is about $4 billion.
Please subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, I will be encouraged to share new information with you.